Hi, Ken Hebert, the marketing executive here at Tie Down, and with me today is Dekari Granger. Dekari, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Now, we're going to talk about the Bigfoot and the Squatch mobile fall protection systems. But before we get into the details of these products, these are non-penetrating products.
That's correct.
Non-penetrating devices, what does that mean?
So non-penetrating is exactly what it sounds like. These devices don't have to penetrate the roof in order to arrest a fall. These devices use dead weight and friction to arrest a fall.
So, Dekari, we're talking about the features and benefits of the Bigfoot. How many workers can use this product in the field?
Yeah, good question. So if you follow me down here, it's clearly labeled, Ken. You have 2 in fall restraint and 1 in arrest. So you can have 3 people tied in. This is a 3-man machine.
So I notice that all of our instructions for the Bigfoot are right here.
Yeah.
And you even have a QR code.
Absolutely.
On the machine. Why is that important?
Well, Ken, OSHA requires that instructions are visible and accessible to all workers whenever this is on a site. And so we have everything clearly labeled here, QR code that takes you to the link for the online manual and instructions. And also, we have a weatherproof tube that allows you to keep a physical copy on the device at all times.
What we're seeing here is a tube. Go ahead and undo it.
Yeah.
We have a tube where the instructions can be placed and kept safe at all times, and that's weatherproof.
Right inside there.
Where could you not use this product?
Well, so like we said before, this is a friction-based device. So if there's anything that's going to interrupt the friction, you would want to use it there. So if it's wet, if it's slippery, or anything like that, you wouldn't want to use the device there.
How do I move it around?
Right, so you have 2 positions. Right now, it's in tie-off position, right? In order to move it, you want to put it in mobile position. All right, so if you want, I can demonstrate it.
I would love to see that demonstration. Let me step out of your way.
Well, really quick before you step out of the way, I want to just throw this nugget in. The way that you know this device is in tie-off position, we have a safety check here.
Okay.
You can spin the wheel, then it's ready.
Then it's ready to be tied off to.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So there you go.
And if it's immobile, those tires are, well, I'm going to let you show me.
Yeah. All right. So we have a jack system right here, which jacks this device up and allows the wheels to engage. All right. So we want to crank this thing up. You'll start to see it tilt, and that's how you know it's going up.
Dekari, so we've talked about the Bigfoot. We've talked about most of the features and benefits.
Correct.
Now let's talk about the Squatch. The Squatch was born out of the Bigfoot. Why were we compelled to design and invent the Squatch?
Well, here at Tie Down, we really like to listen to the reviews and to the opinions of our end users. They're actually in the field. They know what's going on out there. They know what they need. The end users really like the design of the non-penetrating Bigfoot, but they needed something bigger so they can tie more people in. And so we have our Squatch.
Contractors have been begging for something they can attach a horizontal lifeline to when there's no structure up there.
Yes.
Does this solve that problem?
Definitely solves that problem. With 2 Squatches, you can have an 85-foot horizontal lifeline in between the 2, which you can tie 3 men off in arrest, not restraint, in arrest.
So a three-man horizontal lifeline, your point A and your point B can span 85 feet. You put 2 Squatches up on the structure, run that horizontal lifeline, and now you have 3. Can you still tie a couple of people off in restraint?
You can. So it's essentially turned into a 7-man machine.
All right. On behalf of Dekari Granger and Ken Hebert, I'd like to thank you for taking time and watching our little presentation on the Bigfoot and the Squatch mobile fall protection systems. And remember, at Tie Down Safety, we own the edge.